The Dyson V12 Detect Slim Absolute Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner represents a blend of modern design and advanced technology, aimed at simplifying the task of cleaning in various environments. With its lightweight construction and versatile functionality, this vacuum is designed to cater to a wide range of cleaning needs, making it an intriguing option for those seeking a reliable cleaning tool. At the heart of the Dyson V12 is its powerful motor, which, despite the vacuum's slim profile, delivers strong suction capabilities. The vacuum is engineered to capture microscopic dust and allergens, which can be particularly useful for maintaining a clean living space. Dyson's renowned cyclone technology is incorporated, allowing for efficient separation of dirt from the air, ensuring that the vacuum not only cleans surfaces but also contributes to improved indoor air quality. One of the standout features of the Dyson V12 is its advanced laser dust detection technology. This innovative feature illuminates particles that are often invisible to the naked eye, providing a clearer view of the areas that require thorough cleaning. The vacuum also comes with an LCD screen that displays performance data, such as battery life and maintenance alerts, which can be beneficial for users who are keen on keeping track of their cleaning sessions. In terms of versatility, this model is equipped with multiple attachments designed for various cleaning tasks. The combination tool can transition between different surfaces, while the crevice tool is ideal for reaching tight spaces. The fluffy cleaner head is particularly effective on hard floors, capturing fine dust and larger debris alike. Users will find that the V12's cordless design enhances its mobility, allowing for seamless transitions from room to room, or even from indoor to outdoor spaces. Operating the Dyson V12 is straightforward, with a simple trigger mechanism to engage the suction, and its lightweight build ensures that it can be maneuvered easily around furniture and other obstacles. The battery provides a decent runtime, although users may want to plan their cleaning sessions accordingly, particularly when tackling larger areas. In conclusion, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Absolute Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner offers a combination of advanced features and thoughtful design. With its powerful suction, laser dust detection, and versatility across different surfaces, it stands as a compelling choice for those looking to enhance their cleaning routine. As with any product, it's important to consider personal cleaning needs and preferences to determine if this vacuum aligns with those requirements.